Hello friends, today we are going to show the way of deploying the SSRS report in AX2012. We have three different ways to deploy report in AX2012. We are going to show. Before going to show, we want to request you to subscribe my channel. If you still have not subscribed, then please subscribe so we will get more number of subscriber watch hours. It will help us. Thank you. So we are starting our session. This is very short little bit session. I will show you frequently. I will not waste your much time on here. There are three ways. What are the ways to deploy in SSRS report? SSRS report is SQL reporting which we developed in Visual Studio based on query and business logics and RDP classes. Report data provider. So mostly in X2012 we use two way. One is query, one is AX2012. So कहीं नहीं जाएगा. You be with my slides, my video to watch how to deploy three ways in AX2012. We are going to show very good things here which is helpful for newcomers. First way is through EOT. You can deploy your report. Just go to EOT SSRS report, then find your reports on the report section. Just right click and deploy. It's very easy to deploy the SSRS report in AX2012. Just here shown the example where we are going to show. Just go to SSRS report, then report, select your report, then right click and you will see the deploy elements. Through Visual Studio you have to open the report projects, right click on the project and solution node, then you can deploy. Same here described in second section, and this is the picture I am trying to show how you can see your report. This is an example of sales invoice report. Go to the solution, right click and deploy. Sometimes you face problem on building and rebuilding the things. Here build, rebuild and deploy and clean, three options you are showing. Build, if your first time you are going to deploy the report, then you can use build. If you have some changes then and you are facing some error, then there is a clean option. Click on clean to the solution, then you can again build and rebuild it to rebuilding again from scratch. And build is the incremental of model of building the code, and deploy will include build, rebuild and will deploy the solution. So even you don't build, don't rebuild, you directly deploy, then first it will build, then it will deploy. And one more feature is there, PowerShell. Through PowerShell you can publish your all reports, or you can give report name. If you are giving single report name, just write publish dash AX report dash your report name and star. It will deploy all the reports. If you put star, if you give your report name, then it will deploy the single report. Just to go to the PowerShell, you have to go to administrative tools, Microsoft Dynamics AX2012 management cell, then enter publish AX report name. Sometimes it may throw any error on deploying it. Then what you need to do, you need to go to PowerShell, then right click and run as administrator is the trick which mostly avoid the permission error. If you are still facing any error, then you can go to your control panel. You can disable user accounting control, UAC control from control panel for particular user. Then you try to deploy report. If any issue, you can check whether your URL is validating in Axapta or not. If it is validating, then you will able to deploy your report. So thank you for watching this clip. I am telling again, requesting you all, if you are not subscribed my channel, you will not get updates through email. You will not be updated to our technology, new technology. And thanks for watching this clip. We remain with our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.